If you've ever wanted to attract more money into your life quickly, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to take you through a simple process to manifest money in just 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right, 24 hours. We're going to do this in 3 parts, and part 3 will virtually guarantee that extra money will materialize in 24 hours or less, so stick around for that. For part 1, let's dive into the money manifestation process by taking a few moments to relax and tune into a vibration of abundance. Find a comfortable spot and take a deep breath. Close your eyes and envision a river of prosperity flowing all around you. Imagine this river of abundance carrying a frequency that aligns with your deepest desires for financial success. Feel the sensation of joy, gratitude, and excitement as the energy of abundance surrounds you. Visualize money flowing easily into your life, like a magnetic force drawing wealth from all directions. Take the next 2 or 3 minutes to immerse yourself in this prosperity vibration and let it flow through every fiber of your being. Do that now. Well done. It's time for part 2. Now that you've immersed yourself in the frequency of abundance, let's say some powerful money attraction affirmations together. As I say each statement, repeat it back to yourself. Embrace these affirmations wholeheartedly, knowing that money will show up for you in fun, surprising, and even unexpected ways within 24 hours. Here we go. Money flows to me easily. I am a magnet for money. Money comes to me quickly and in surprising ways. I attract an abundance of money-making opportunities. I easily create financial prosperity. The universe showers me with money. My bank account is overflowing with abundance. I am open and ready to receive. Opportunities to make money are all around me. Money follows me wherever I go. I release all limiting beliefs about money. I now embrace my worthiness to receive. Money flows like a never-ending stream. All of my needs are met. I am abundant. Great. Now that your abundance engine is revved up, let's move on to part 3 and explore potential money-making opportunities that may be right under your nose. I will ask you a series of questions. Your only job is to listen for answers and allow your intuition to guide you. What do you have of value that you could sell? This is actually one of the easiest ways to bring in quick cash. So choose something of value you can part with and post it on a digital marketplace, or let your friends know it's for sale. And do that today. Can you provide a simple service or offer your skills in any way to earn extra income today? It might be mowing lawns, shoveling snow, could be computer repair, or you doing consulting in your area of expertise. What's something that's in your wheelhouse that you can offer for a price? What is a problem that people have that you can easily solve? Something you are uniquely qualified to do. Who can you reach out to today and offer this solution? Is there something of value you can create and sell to others? Might be artwork or jewelry, pottery, or a craft of some kind. What special gifts that you have that will allow you to create something that you can sell to someone today? Are there any outstanding debts or payments owed to you that you can collect? In other words, does anyone owe you money? Today might be a good time to ask for payment. Is there someone you trust who you can approach for a temporary loan, a donation, or financial support? I truly believe your answers to these questions could easily lead to extra cash flow in the next 24 hours or less, maybe even in the next hour. Attracting money is not just about wishing and waiting. It's about opening your mind to the abundant opportunities that surround you. Maintain a positive mindset and stay proactive, and you'll be amazed at how money manifests in your life, often within hours. Believe in your ability to attract wealth. Trust your instincts and act on the opportunities that come your way. Stay tuned to this abundance frequency and watch as money flows into your life. You are worthy of financial abundance, and I believe the universe is ready to reward your efforts. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm, knowing that money is on its way to you, and it's just a matter of time before you have those extra funds in your hands or in a digital bank account. You've got this. Thanks for listening. I can't wait to hear your success stories, so please leave a comment. And remember to subscribe and follow for more inspiration just like this. And for an even deeper dive into this topic, check out the 21-day Abundance and Money Attraction Brain Boost. This program has helped hundreds of people over the years generate actual dollars and cents. And I think it can do the same for you too. Learn more about it at bobbakerinspiration.com/21 days. Until next time, embrace the abundance that you are and have an incredible day. So long for now.